Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'll explain how to restore your Windows PC's drivers using a double driver backup. Now, for this guide to work, you need to have a double driver backup, all right, of your drivers, whether from your PC or another person's PC, which is compatible with yours. So in my resources folder, I have double driver, and I also have my backup, my double driver backup. So you launch double driver, and in the dashboard you click on restore. Now if you didn't launch as administrator, it's going to prompt you because it requires admin access or permissions to restore your driver. So I'll click on yes to give it the permission it needs, and that is going to relaunch double driver. Now you click on restore again, you click on locate backup. Now depending on how you backed up, you can select your driver backup. I use the zip method, the compress zip method. So I'll click on this second option, then I'll click on browse, and I'll choose the backup, which is this zip here. Then click on open and click OK. Now you wait while this loads the drivers. It's not yet restoring, it's just loading them onto the software. Now once drivers are loaded, you have a list of drivers you can restore. So if you want to restore whatever driver you want to restore, you just check it. All right, click the checkbox in front of it. And if you want to restore all your drivers, you just click on select, click on the drop down in front of select, and you click on all. So that will check all drivers. So I'll just restore all, but if you need only the specific drivers, you need to restore the specific driver. So let me just demonstrate what restoring all your drivers would look like, and then click on restore now. Once you selected the drivers you wish to restore, click on OK, and then wait while it restores the drivers. Now you're going to get a prompt here. Just in this wizard, you click on next, and this is now restoring the drivers. If you get any prompt from this point, you just follow the wizard and agree to whatever you need to agree to. All right, that is done. So you click on finish, and that's done. So that's how to restore your double drivers backup to your Windows PC.